Hundreds of taxi owners in the state joined in the day-long strike called by the taxi unions in Goa on Monday to protest against the entry of Ola Cabs, a Mumbai-based cabs and car rental service in the state.
The decision to hold the strike on Monday was taken by the North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association, South Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association and the Federation of Tourist Taxi Owners and Drivers Association of Goa. Ola Cabs was founded in January 2011 by two IIT Bombay alumni Bhavesh Agarwal and Ankit Bhatia, is India's first aggregator of car rentals and point-to-point cab services in India. Ola Cabs announced their launch in Goa with around 50 cabs earlier this month. On the other hand, the Director of Transport, Arun Desai, has said that they have not even applied for permission to run their operations.
Very clearly I have told we have not given any permission, nor they have applied also. It only shows that they are not interested in running the business, but they want to go on strike.
Currently, Ola Cabs offers services across Mumbai, Delhi, NCR, Pune and Bangalore. The company's website also has added Goa to its list of places offering half-day and full-day packages, thereby allowing customers to book their cab online as well as make the payment. Seeing them as an obvious threat to their businesses in the state, the taxi operators upped their agitation on Monday, thereby affecting hundreds of domestic and foreign tourists throughout Goa. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar said a final meeting would be held on 27th February with the striking taxi operators to redress their grievances.
So, तांची कितें मागणी आसा पळय, सरकारान आपले विचार कितें आहा तेंच्या फुड्यान दवरल्या. तेंची कितें मागणी आहा पळय ती 27 तारखेर बसून आमकां ते सॉर्ट आउट करपाक जाय. रशियन थोडे ऑपरेटर आहा पळय, ते टॅक्सी बी हे करता पळय, ते क्रॅकडावन करपा खातीर सरकारान आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान एकदम सामकी कडक पावलां उचलून त्या रशियनचे जे कोण टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर ऑपरेटर आहा पळय तेंचे बंद करपाचो हें केल्लो आसा.
Meanwhile, Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Wagh also demanded answers from the government over the Ola cab issue.
Ola cabs जे पळय प्रकरण आसा हे प्रकरण हांव पयलींच्यान बोवाळ मारतालो की कितें तरी खंयच्यान तरी एक स्पेशल टॅक्सी सुरू करपाचें कारस्थान चल्लेलें आसा आनी गोंयचे जे आमचे ब्लॅक एंड येलो आनी बाकीचे ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सीवाले आसात ह्या ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सीवाल्यांक ओबन दवरपाचें हें कारस्थान हें सरकारान चलयलां म्हणून तें आतां हळू खरें जावपाक लागलां.
We have spoken to the proprietor or founder of PBA Holidays, Nilesh Shah, who condemned the strike, stating that the issue could have been handled better.
What they have taken is uncalled for, and the reason is simple, that this will affect the image of Goa. I feel my personal view is that they can sit across the table and sort out the issue rather than going for strike.
Meanwhile, the United Taximen's Union operating yellow-black taxis at the prepaid taxi counter at Dabolim Airport have opposed the strike called by the North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association and other taxi unions.
आमचे येलो ब्लॅक टॅक्सीज जे आहा एअरपोर्टार चलतात ते टॅक्सीज पब्लीक सर्वीस दिवपाक लागून आहात, तेका लागून आमी ह्या बंदाक सपोर्ट करूंक शकना. तेका लागून आमी आमची गाडयो सकाळच्यान चालू दवरले, पूण आमकां आतां थंय वाटेक प्रॉब्लेम जालो. खूब कडेन गाडयो आमचे आडयले. शिवोले आमचे ऑलरेडी गाडी हाडून थंय दवरलेले आहा, तांकां धाडिनात ते, तांकां सांगता तुमकां सांजची धाडटले म्हणून. पुलिशेक सांगल्या, पुलिशेनी अजून कांय तेचेर एक्शन घेवंक ना. हांव स्वता पुलिशेक कळयलें की आमची गाडी आडयले तांकां सोडय म्हणून, पूण सोडूंक ना. कानोळे आडयले गाडयो, पणजे आडयले, मडगांव सायडीन आडयतात. हो बंद आहा. आमी टॅक्सी पब्लीक सर्वीस असल्या कारणान आमी हे गाडयो बंद दवरूंक शकना. पूण
In Margao, many of the yellow and black taxis said they openly supported the strike but were opposed to inconveniencing tourists. In Benaulim, South Goa Taxis Association said that if their demands were not fulfilled, then they would continue with their strike. Benaulim MLA Caetano Silva said that he would support the demands of the drivers and show his solidarity to the taxi drivers.
आमकां फिशरमॅन टॅक्सीवाले आहाय तांकां थोडे बिजनेसमॅन ना जाल्यार गोवोरमेंटान हाचेर सारकी चवकशी करची, कित्याक लागून जाता तितले बेगीन हें करपाचें. आमी सीएम.
The strike was successfully carried out in the north with hundreds of taxis going off the roads. Many protesters from nearby Mandre, Perne and Arambol blocked the Chopre Agarwal road by paralyzing traffic. The RTO police and the other government officials rushed to quell the agitated mob, which resulted in several arrests. Even the tourist hub of Kalangut was not spared. Kalangut taxi owners too blocked many roads in strong defiance with the support of the local MLA. Speaking to Goa 365, Michael Lobo said that the cause of the taxi operators were genuine and he would support them.
टुरिस्ट टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स एंड ओनर्सांक घेवन बसलेले एक डिसिजन हाडपाक एक तेंचे जे ग्रीवियन्स आहा जे इलिगल टूर ऑपरेटर्स जे राशियन्स आसले तेंकां बंद करपाक आनी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्ले ते 2 स्क्वॉड्स घालतात ते तेणे घातले पूण अजुनूय तेजो इफेक्ट कांय दिसपाक ना दिसोंक ना आमकां अजून इफेक्ट दिसोंक ना पूण तितून मदेकात ओलाला येयले आतां these people are all angry, all Goan, especially coastal belt people. जावं ते सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जावं इवन आमचे आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जितके शिवलिम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जितके ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स आनी ओनर्स आहात ते सगळे बेजार जाल्ले आहा लोकल लोकूय बेजार जाल्ले आहा